Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jeff at Lockdown Security, www.lockdownsecurity.ca, and today I'm bringing you a cool one that we did. We just finished this today. It's a 2023 Ford E350 RV conversion. It's not really a recreational vehicle. It's actually a commercial vehicle with a commercial office in the back, but it's a giant one. And what did we do to this? Well, we put a Compustar Q9 FM alarm and start on this vehicle. So I'm going to go through a few different things. I know it's kind of windy, so the sound quality may be affected, but let me just show you a couple of things about this remote. So this is the Q9 FM two-way. You'll see it's basically a 5-button remote. You got lock, unlock, trunk release, your function button, and then your start stop button right here. But this has got a unique feature. It's got one button touch on the front. So if I hit the start stop button once, it arms the vehicle. If I hit it 2 times, it disarms the vehicle, and you're hearing that extra chirp because we were actually testing. We triggered the alarm. And if I press and hold this silver start stop button, we'll give it a second, the vehicle starts right up. So not only is this system going to keep this vehicle secure, it's going to keep it nice and warm and climate controlled. And if I want, I literally just press and hold again, and the vehicle shuts down. So I'm just going to show you a couple of things. We obviously tied into the door pins of the vehicle, so front driver and front passenger door, so those will trigger the alarm. We've got a hood pin that'll trigger the alarm. We've got a impact sensor that will trigger the alarm. But we did something a little bit different. We've done this before on commercial vehicles. We added motion sensors. So effectively, because the doors of this vehicle, here's my coworker Sal disappearing, these doors don't have pin switches, and the customer didn't really want us to modify these doors to add pin switches. So he was fine with adding motion sensors. So I'm just going to show you where we did that. So you come back over here, and you have a motion sensor up in the back corner. This is an access door right here. This door basically goes down. Obviously, you've got the glass windows. So effectively, any issues, these motion sensors will pick it up. Now, these are standard DSC motion sensors. You've probably seen these in your office or at home. These are basically home alarm motion sensors. They do work on 12 volts, so you can adapt them for a vehicle, which is what we did. And you can connect them to pretty much any car alarm for applications like this, where essentially you have a rolling home. This is basically what it is. Now, some of you may view it and ask, what are we doing with this cable? Because this vehicle is not finished yet, we're not actually going to secure this cable. He's going to put a wire channel along with when they do the TV and a couple of other things. So the customer just asked us to leave that cable loose. And you'll see basically with the cable there, it's tucked up and under the wire channel. So that pretty much concludes it. Compustar Q9 FM, awesome new remote. Actually, my mistake. This is the Compustar Q9 SS, because you can see it's got the DSST. So I will edit that out, or I will fix it just for everybody to look. The remotes are identical. So the Q9 FM and the Q9 SS, they are identical. So same looking remote. The difference is the Q9 SS has 6,000 feet of range. The Q9 FM has 3,000 feet of range. The other difference is the Q9 SS comes with a two-way G15 SS LED key fob, whereas the Q9 FM comes with the one-way G15 key fob. So, and you can tell the difference between those because the G15 two-way has silver buttons and obviously has these LEDs. The G15 one-way, which is not pictured here, has black buttons and basic LEDs. So pretty cool. Q9 SS from Compustar. It's a cool looking remote. If I just hit this button again, you'll see I locked it. If I hit it twice, it unlocks it. You can see it's got a very high res LCD screen. I love it. And then you also have your one buttons here. So you can do lock with a dedicated button, unlock with the dedicated button, trunk release, which obviously this vehicle doesn't have. And then you got your function button, which goes into the menu of the remote. So if you or somebody you know is interested in adding security or remote start or pretty much any convenience related product to your commercial vehicle, such as this running mobile office, give us a shout at Lockdown Security, 1-866-824-4118. Visit us on the web, www.lockdownsecurity.ca. If you could Subscribe to our YouTube channel. It goes a long way to help us make more videos like this in the future. And like this video if you could, because that also helps us to know that you're watching, and we help us make more videos like this in the future. As I said, here is my coworker Christian. It's our next project, which is a tow truck for a very similar setup. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day.